Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix CS2 fatal error content file is corrupted on PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Go to Library right, click Counter, strike 2 Properties. Step 3. Click Install Files. Step 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Fix 2. Restart Steam as admin. Step 1. Close Steam completely. Step 2. Right-click Steam shortcut. Step 3. Select Run as administrator. Step 4. Launch CS2. Fix 3. Clear Steam download cache. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Click Steam, top, left, settings. Step 3. Go to Downloads. Step 4. Click Clear download cache. Step 5. Restart Steam and log in again. Fix 4. Disable antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Turn off antivirus/Windows Defender, temporary. Step 2. Open Steam, verify game files again. Step 3. Add Steam and CS2 folder to antivirus exclusions.